guys? Happy Friday. I want to show you how easy it is to mix some concrete. Why not? I'm in my shop bored. I thought I'd do a quick video. Get your stopwatches ready. Let's go. Measure your water. I know what it is because I've used this a lot. It doesn't mean I might not have to add some, but get your 60-pound bag or 80 or whatever you want to use. It'll do it. Make sure you shake it up. Do not breathe the dust. First time, get it all the way over. Second time, get it all the way over. Let that water roll over the top. Let the water roll over the top. Oh, look at this. Somebody has a really hard bag. All right, besides that big freaking clump which we all got in our concrete thing, here we go. Take a look. All day long. Pour some water in there. Get it to where the concrete, there you go, splash it around a little bit. You know, the funny thing is this is actually being used as an off-grid washing machine. Done. Get it over there and dump it in the bucket. I'll show you, that's not bad.
That's pretty clean in there, man.